How to turn off your notification on Grubhub. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are also wanting to turn off offers notification on Grubhub, you may follow up the steps. So what you need to do is first of all head over and launch the application Grubhub and open it up. And then once you launch it up, here you need to be logged in. Once you are logged in, you can find all of the restaurants and everything within the application. So if you would like to turn off the notification, if there is any option within the application, you can use that option. We have this option of push notifications under account. You can head over the account, scroll down, look out for push notifications, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, we have this option of offers option. So you just need to look out for the specific notification type related to offers, deals, or promotions. And once you find it up, you may just go ahead and tap on it, tap on the toggle option like this, and that will basically toggle disable this kind of notifications within your application, whether it's on Android or Apple. So it's pretty easy if you would like to turn off offer notifications on Grubhub application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.